Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor. We have Ashton back with us here from Mississippi. This is his 4th treatment. He got 2 yesterday, and he's getting 2 today. He's already had 1 this morning, and so we're going to do 1 this afternoon. And I'll let him tell you how it worked out for him.
It's been pretty good. I've been loose, and I feel a lot better, a lot more mobile. So
well, they're going to see you with the ring dinger again today, and you can tell me how you feel after that. Let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards for me, Ashton. And then neutral. Yeah. Now Ashton works over at a gymnastics facility over in Mississippi, right?
Yes, sir.
And helps out young athletes over there. Mm-hmm. And he does some videos of his own. I was telling him he should start his own YouTube channel.
That'd be something.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so he's off a little bit. You see his head's still a little bit forward and to the right, and pelvis is just a little bit right of center, but not bad. So we're going to put him over here on the manual decompression, which y'all have come to know as the ring dinger. That's been my nickname for it for over 35 years. Okay, let's slide down this way. Somebody was taught slide down a little bit more. I saw a comment on one of our videos where somebody called Momentum Chiropractic had stolen our ring dinger. They can't steal my ring dinger because I'm the original ring dinger. Isn't that right, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Joseph's tried to ring ding me several times. It's a lot harder than it looks. Okay. Yeah, let's have a deep breath in. Oh, yeah. I know that was a home run.
That was it.
Yes, sir. See? Flip them there.
I think I saw someone call you Clint Eastwood or something yesterday.
Yeah, you see all kinds of comments. We appreciate y'all commenting on our videos. Just be nice to our patients. There we go. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. Okay, they get on me when I talk.
Like the noise?
Yes, they like the crack addicts out there. And quite frankly, when you're getting adjusted, those feel pretty good too, don't they?
Oh, they're awesome.
Oh, missed that one. Right leg is about 1/4 of an inch short today. That's a little tight right there. So we're going to start off on your SI joints down here. I'm going to start with your right one. There. And your sacrum right in the center. And then we'll come over here to the left one. And I'm going to move up to L5 right there. L4, you're starting to get a little curve back in your low back here. There's L3. There's L2. And there's L1. Okay. There. Excellent. Good. You moved all the way up today. Perfect. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Yep, you're just right, man. This helps bring the cervical curve back into a forward lordotic position. It's a zygomatic process, pointy contact, slide down. Now bringing the head up and then rotating it backwards on the x-axis. You're good. There we go. Good. So this is going to be our last week in the office. Renee and I are getting ready to head back down to the Virgin Islands for a little summer vacation. There you go. Did you feel that in your knee and your back?
You get them every time?
Yep, okay, good. Let's sit you up face towards Joseph there. Alright. What's the name of your gymnastics school down there?
We work at Young's Gymnastics. Coach cheerleading, tumbling, and gymnastics. That's what I do outside of teaching.
Okay. There we go. Let's get your elbow here. There we go. Were you a gymnast yourself?
Tumble.
Mm-hmm. I tumbled a few times, but it wasn't in competition.
Work out for you? Yeah.
Mine was usually off a Harley.
A lot of risk in it, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's stand up here and shoot you again. Okay, we're gonna have you flex your hip forward and backwards again. That was already better. Now neutral. You're right down the gut, man. We're just gonna bring that hip straight back and up. Shift your pelvis just a little bit right. Just like that. Hold that right there. Okay, now you can relax. And let's have you flex forward and backwards again. That should have felt smoother. Did it?
Smooth.
So, a lot of people watch our YouTube videos from out of the state and out of the country. You flew over here from Mississippi on pretty much you had to get another flight even because yours was late or something, right?
Yeah,
Or
well,
you
they
missed
closed
it.
the gate an hour earlier
Yeah.
before the flight, so I immediately had to buy another one. But it's worth the trip. So I couldn't let anything stop me from getting here. And once I got here, it was a little different. Of course, you'd be a little leery or skeptical at first, but he makes sure everything is good.
It's pretty much what you see on YouTube, right?
It's what you see on YouTube, but it's a little different when you get here in person as far as some
The
of the stuff
depth
looks
of it.
simple and easy, but it's you know.
It's different than what you've had before, right?
Yeah, it's different. And I've left chiropractors feeling inflamed and feeling heavy. They twist real hard or they do the gongstead adjustments real hard, and I leave kind of like inflamed and in pain, but I haven't had any of that. You know, the only discomfort I've ever had was from things breaking up and from the adjustments being realigned and things like that. But
Good.
as far as you yourself know.
Well, thank you for sharing that with us. And this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We'll see you next time.